Hello, everybody, and welcome to Motivation Monday number 11. Yes, I know it's Wednesday, and I'm a couple days late. I was actually sick these last couple of days, back even to Sunday, and so I apologize that I did not have the energy or the wellness. I'm sorry, to be able to get this out sooner. So, but today's motivation quote is from the 10X Rule by Grant Cardone, and on page 164 talks about persist until successful. And let me read this out loud to you and then kind of go over it. It says, the ability to persist on a given path, regardless of setbacks, unexpected events, bad news, and resistance, to continue steadfastly or firmly in some state, purpose, or course of action in spite of conditions, is a trait common to those who make it. I assure you that I, speaking of himself, at least am more persistent than I am talented. I think that's a very powerful thing to be able to consider, is that, as we keep doing something, as we keep moving forward, as we're at least attempting and trying to, whether it be learning more about Medicare, learning about a carrier, finding a new client, trying a marketing strategy, things like that. As long as we are persistent and consistent with our persistence, then we are going to find that success. And so I encourage you to continue, keep it on, keep it on. I know right now with the COVID, some areas are starting to open up more. I want to be able to help you to be able to take advantage of those opportunities that are out there. Don't slow down. Let yourself continue moving forward. Start opening up. Take the necessary precautions that you need to, especially in your unique areas. But don't let this virus slow you down. Don't let it stop you. Find new channels. If you're not sure what channels to be able to go to, give me a call. Let's talk about the different channels that are available to you. And maybe there's channels that you have not taken advantage of that you need to learn a new set of skills with. We can move forward in that, help you take advantage of that. So I will look forward to hearing from you. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week, at least better than mine, the way it started. And let me know again if there's anything I can do to help and that we can move forward with your marketing plan. Have a great week, and I'll look forward to hearing from you later. Bye-bye.